Hello and happy holidays. So this is it. This is the official launch of Dynamic Flow Network version 3. But now we are going to launch this model for free in our website. So if you are a developer, if you are a company, you can start using it right away. And the reason why we are doing this is because after talking with thousands of companies over the last years, we see the frustration of those companies that are paying sometimes hundreds of millions of euros for consultancy companies or other solutions in the market that they simply don't work. All right. So what we want to prove by launching for free is that you can easily test a sample of data, whatever, something that is challenging right now for you to do forecasts in any sector, and use our model to see the results and compare with the solution that you currently have. And hopefully, I hope to show you that it is possible to create very accurate forecast models in seconds with a fractional of time and costs. And this 2025, we are going to focus on launching several features that you can have the power to build these models very easily with just raw data, something that you already have. The model will learn and adapt through time by itself. You can simulate the future, you can create very complex models, and most importantly, you can understand why something is behaving in a specific way. In January, we are going to release the simulation tools, but also the behavioral analysis as well. And this will give you a perception and a control of everything that's going to happen in the future. We are going to focus on 3 markets essentially, but you can use it for any kind of time series, all right? But we, Asset Flow, in the next year, we are going to focus on retail, logistics, energy, and finance. And the last one, we are going to work with the fund managers, and we are going to release the research that I personally did when I outperformed the best investors on eToro. So we are going to basically expose everything that we have done and what we are doing in these models that are very, very, very powerful. Something that I believe there is no functional solution in the market. So I hope you have great holidays. In the next weeks, you are going to see a lot of myself in LinkedIn and other social media. I'm going to post a lot of results. I'm going to test this heavily in different markets with different customers. We are going to be very transparent about all this process, and we are going to enjoy this because for the first time, I want to prove that it's possible to predict the future very accurately. Not because we live in a simulation, but because the behaviors affect behaviors, and things can go in a controlled way if we deploy the right mathematical models. Thank you very much, and I see you next year. Bye-bye.